Hello, and this is the Stockpreacher from Stockpreacher.com with another explosive stock analysis. Today we're looking at CDIV for March 5th, 2010. We want to pay particular attention to the second half of our chart. This is a daily chart and about 3 months in length. And had some explosive volume come in here on February 7th and kind of set it off on a nice run. Volume remained healthy, but we had a doji reversal and some selling and lower prices, but we found some support above the 50-day or above the 20-day moving average. You can see that it was basically a support line for prior to our breakout. So watch for trading above the 20-day moving average. This could potentially be a support line in the future if we do have a reversal to come down a little bit lower. Now we can kind of plot out a rising support line from our initial breakout point. Now we had some intense panic selling here, so we're going to go with the closing point just above the opening point of the day on this particular on February 16th here. So if we continue moving along, we can kind of start to see a solid rising support line, and this is basically going to serve for our trend to continue to keep the prices moving higher. Now we can see volume is we've got some higher days or lower days, but overall the moving average on volume is fairly flat. Two things you want to watch out for that could signal that we're coming down below for a selling period. We need to make sure that volume remains strong. If volume starts to dip for a day or two, we could see a move below a rising support line. If that were to happen, we could plot out some support here around 29 cents. We can see it was a resistance for a few times, and then we had a support line. So watch for a bounce off the 29-cent level if we do fall below, or we could possibly retrace down to the 19-cent level. 19/20 cent. We had a high here of 19 cents and some resistance at 20 and some support here at 19.20. So watch for this level as well. Looking fairly solid if we do find ourselves falling down to the upside. This could go as high as the buyers want to take it at this point. We don't really have any prior resistance levels that are trending this high. So one thing you want to watch out for is this type of a move where we kind of start to move high too quickly. It could signal that a top's coming in, and we could have a severe reversal. But at this particular time, we're looking healthy. MACD is trending upwards, and momentum's trending upwards. We want to make sure we stay above this rising support line. So make sure you never miss a hot stock before it moves. Join my free newsletter at stockpreacher.com to get daily email alerts on the biggest movers in the market. I don't hold any positions in any stocks mentioned in this video, and stockpreacher.com has not been compensated for this video.